Good morning children. Now 5th class maths exercise 4.3 chapter 4 exercise chapter 4 exercise 4.3 third bit is rearrange in ascending order. Here are given fractions. So now I am going to explain you D1, that means fourth problem in third bit. 3 by 12 fractions. Write the fractions first. 7 by 8, 2 by 4, 2 by 6. Here are given 4 fractions. What are that? 3 by 12, 7 by 8, 2 by 4 and 2 by 6. These are the fractions. So now what we have to do? We have to rearrange these fractions in ascending order. Ascending order means small number to big number, increasing order. So now here numerators and denominators are not same. No, these are unlike fractions. So if we are giving like fractions, you may write easily ascending order. But here are their unlike fractions. It means denominators and numerators are not same. That are called an unlike fractions. So first what we have to do, that is, so directly we should not write the ascending order. For these, see here 3 by 12, 7 by 8, 2 by 4, 2 by 6 is there. So which is the smaller one means which one you will pick? No one, no? So first we have to convert these fractions into like fractions. First step is convert them into like fractions. First step what? Convert them into like fractions. When we are converting the like fractions, we will get denominators same. So on that time we will write the easily ascending order for the fractions. So first while converting the like fractions, first what we have to do? We have to find out the LCM of the denominators. These are called, upside numbers are called numerators, downside numbers are called denominators. So we want to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions means first step is doing LCM of denominators. Next step, convert them LCM of denominators. Give to Jyoti teacher. Denominators. So what are the denominators here? 12 and 8 and 4 and 6 are the denominators. So we have to find out the LCM of least common factor or multiple of denominators. How we will find the LCM? See the method LCM. What are the denominators are there? 12, denominators 8, 4, 6. So write, do the LCM. How we will do the LCM? Take two tables. In this table all numbers we have to see in only one table. We want these all numbers. Take, I am taking here two tables. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Now all numbers is completed. Go for other step. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So now last number is 3. So in 2 table 3 will not come now. So write as it is 3. Now go for 2 table again. 2 in 2 table 3 will not come. So write as it is 3. 2 1s are 2. Here 1 is there. Write as it is 1. 3. 2 table 3 will not come. So write 3 again. Now 3. In which table 3 will come? In 3 table. 3 1s are 1, 1, 3 1s are. What are the remaining numbers here? 2 into 3. These are the remaining numbers. Now do the multiplication. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. What is the LCM of 12, 8 and 6? 24. LCM of denominators is equals to, what are the denominators? 12, 8, 4, 6. What is the LCM? We got 24. It means every fraction denominator we want 24. అంటే denominators యొక్క LCM మనకు 24 వచ్చింది అంటే మనం ఏం చేయాలి బేటా? 24 ఎవ్రీ ఫ్రాక్షన్ యొక్క డినామినేటర్ 24 వచ్చేలాగా మనం మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ తీసుకుంటున్నా. ఫస్ట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ వచ్చేసి 3/12. We want denominator LCM. What is the LCM? 24 na? In the denominator we want 24. Means in 12 table when we will get 24? 12 2s are 24. Now write the numerator and denominator. 12 2s are 24. Now we want denominator 24. It means 12 2s are 24. In 12 table we will get, by doing 2 multiply, we will get 24. So both numerator and denominator we have to do multiple with same number, 2 2. Now write 3 2s are 6, 12 2s are 24. LCM 24 only now, we got 24 denominator na. Now go for other fraction, 7/8. So in 8 table when we will get 24? 8 3s are 24. It means numerator and denominator we will do multiply with 3. 7 3s are 21, 8 3s are 24. This is the LCM. We got denominator LCM na. Next go for third fraction, 2/4. When we will get 24 in the 4 table? 4 6 are 24. It means 2/4 into 6, 4 6. 4 6 are 24 na. Same numerator and denominator we have to do multiple with same number, 6 6. 2 6 are 12. Next 6 4s are 24. 24 is the LCM. We got denominator. Next go for last, 2/6. In 6 which in 6 table when we will get 24? 6 4s are 24. It means we have to do multiply 4 denominator and numerator. 4 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 24. Now write the all fractions. What we got? 6/24. Next second fraction, 21/24. Next 12/24. Next 8/24. Now see here, denominators are all same. It means they are like fractions. Now we will easy to write the ascending order. Denominators are same but numerators are different are there. So first we have to take in the numerator smaller number. 6/24, 21/24, 12/24, 8/24. Which one is the small number? 6/24 is the small number. Next small number is 8/24. Next small number is 12/24. Next small number is 21/24. This is the ascending order of this problem. Understood?